you ain't got much feed in that bird feeder.
Nope.
I had a pretty yellow canary-looking bird stop by this morning. That was kind of cool to watch him for a jiffy. Goldfinches, I think they are, and yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lands on the highline wire to the house. They flew eastbound to the Riddy, or kind of that way. Got some cardinals. I've been seeing some cardinals, so but I hardly ever hear pheasants anymore. Do you? I think the pheasants is moving away. Too wet or something. Huh?
Probably not enough bugs.
And them fucking coyotes. We need to start going coyote hunting. Is what we need to do. When the snow flies, we must start popping them fuckers. They probably got it. They're probably getting where they need to get a bounty on them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, because I can still hear packs between me and you here. I can hear packs of them howling.
Better get to cracking.
Yeah, like that campfire.
Now crack that pop.
Get that 22233 2250.
Yeah.
22250. 243. 223.
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah, get that quieted down. We can call them from right here on the hill. Shoot them coming off the hill. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wouldn't even have to get out of the chair.
Yeah.
Put this at the tripod right there. Them electronic calls work good. They come running. I've been watching the 608 camera. They've been calling them in out and anywhere they go, it seems like they just come running. Boom! You see a big wad of fur ball in there. Ow! Ow! Owie!
Yeah.